For class 8, I am going to discuss question answer of chapter 10. That chapter is part of physics. Name of the chapter is force and friction. Page number 149. Number A, objective type questions. Number 1, choose the correct option. 1 is given, a plastic comb attracts a small piece of paper due to electrostatic force. Answer B is correct. Number 2, frictional force between two surfaces come into play only when two surfaces are in physical contact, because friction force is a contact force. जब मैंने चैप्टर पढ़ाया था डिटेल्स बताया था कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स. सो टू का सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नंबर 3, द डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ फ्रिक्शन इज दैट ऑप्शन आर गिवन, इट कॉजेस वेयर एंड टियर, it can make machine parts heat up. I think D is the correct, all of this. Question number 4, oil and grease are common lubricant which is reduced friction. Question number 5, to reduce drag, automobile, ship and aeroplane are given a streamline shape to reduce the friction. streamline shape दिया था, aeroplane का भी आगे stream होता है, जुंगा होता है, sharp शिप का भी आगे शार्प होता है टू रिड्यूस द व्हाट एयर फ्रिक्शन. नंबर 2, राइट T फॉर द ट्रू स्टेटमेंट एंड F फॉर द फॉल्स वन. करेक्ट द फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट ऑल्सो. नंबर 1, ए फोर्स कैन चेंज द शेप और साइज ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. यस, ट्रू. नंबर 2, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज ए कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स. नो, इट इज ए नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स. It is a non-contact force because if a body is thrown, it again come back because contact is not needed. Number 3, when we lift a weight in our hand, the force required is provided by the tension of our muscles. Yes, true. Number 4, friction is a non-contact force. False. Force friction is a contact force. Two surfaces should be in contact. The reason behind friction force is what? Intermolecular attraction force between two surfaces. For that, surface should be in contact. And interlocking is depend on mainly roughness of the what? Surface. Number 5, wear and tear in machine part can be save fuel and energy. False. B, very short answer question. Number 1, write one word for the following. SI unit of force, Newton. Actually, Newton can be simplified as kg meter per second square. Number 2, the force with which the earth pulls us, that is gravitational force. Number 3, the force between electrical charge, electrostatic force. Number 4, a force that attracts iron and nickel object, that is magnetic force. Number 2, define or explain the following. Force, pull or push, or you can say any external agency that cause of motion is called what? Force. Number 2 is non-contact force, where contact is not needed. For example, magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force. Number 3, contact force, where contact is needed. Two surfaces should be in contact. For example, friction force, applied force. Number 4, fluid friction. Obviously, there is a friction or viscous force between two layers of liquid. That is called what? Fluid friction. Number C, short answer question. Number 1, write down any two effects of force. Obviously, force can make slow of a motion body. Force can change direction of body. Force can change shape of a body. Number 2, name any two non-contact force. Non-contact means gravitational force, electrostatic force. magnetic force. Question number 3, give 2 example of contact force. Applied force, friction force. Number 4, why do teeny bits of paper get attracted when brought close to a plastic pen or comb when have recently been rubbed? अगर हम लोग हेयर को कम से अगर कम करते हैं तो क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन का ट्रांसफर होता है, कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करता है तो कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करते हैं. It means one become positive charge and other become a negative charge. So between two opposite charges there is a attraction force which is known as what? Electrostatic force. So here attraction is due to electrostatic force. Number 5, give 2 methods of reducing friction. Smoothing the surface. Number 1, using lubricant. We can use lubricant to reducing the friction. We use powder for reducing the friction. We use ball bearing in machinery to reducing the friction. Number 6, write down 2 methods of increasing friction by giving thread. जैसे टायर वगैरह में थ्रेड दिया जाता है फ्रिक्शन को बढ़ाने के लिए, जूता का नहीं से थ्रेडिंग होता है to increasing the friction. D, long answer question. Write a note on the types of contact and non-contact force. Contact and non-contact, you can write so many things. Contact, friction force, non-contact, inertial force, electrostatic force. Number 2, differentiate between rolling and sliding friction. When body is in rotation, then rolling friction is there. When a body is slided, so slide करके जो ले जाते हैं, then friction or sliding friction is acted. Remember, rolling friction is less and sliding friction is more. That's why it is easy to roll a body rather than slide. Number 3, what are the advantages and disadvantages of friction? Advantage, without friction we cannot walk, or without friction brake of car will not work. And disadvantage, wear and tear in machinery is due to friction, excess producing of heat due to friction, extra loss of energy is due to friction. Number 4, explain why ball bearing are used and how they are useful. Ball bearing due to reducing friction. Number 5, what do you mean by streamline shape? Streamline shape, for example, shape of aeroplane, shape of steel. It is used. This shape is done due to reduce the friction. So this is all about question answer of chapter 10. लास्ट चैप्टर मैंने एसिड बेस सॉल्ट था क्या, एसिड बेस सॉल्ट का जो डिस्कशन किया था, 3-4 स्टूडेंट मुझे आंसर भेजा है. स्पेशली सबसे पहले भेजा है गार्गी. सो जल्दी भेजने से हम लोग भी अच्छा लगता है, पढ़ रहे बोल के लगता है. सो वी गेट एनर्जी. सो एक्टिव होना है, अपना काम को एक्टिवली करोगे तभी यू विल बी हैप्पी इन लाइफ. सो ट्राई टू गिव क्वालिटी टाइम. टाइम इज़ क्रूशियल फॉर अस. डिप्रेशन में नहीं जाना है, टेंशन नहीं लेना है, टाइम को वेस्ट नहीं करना है. गिव क्वालिटी टाइम और ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव योर इम्यूनिटी पावर. व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग अगेन एंड अगेन, सी इन लाइफ सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम विल बी मे बी कम. सो जितना इम्यूनिटी पावर ज़्यादा होता है उतना बीमार होने का चांसेस कम होता है. बाकी सेफ रहना है, बट इम्यूनिटी पावर सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. मैं ऐसा फील करता हूँ. ओके.